Hi everyone, welcome back to Summer Farms. Today we're going to do a little bit of pig math, and pig math is a little different than chicken math. I don't mean chicken math at all. For pig math, we are going to calculate how much pigs weigh, which is just a guesstimate because we don't have a livestock scale, so there's no way, they're going to go up on the scale and be like, oh, look at I weigh blah blah blah. That's not going to happen. So we use a formula to calculate their weight as a rough estimate. When I say rough, I mean rough because our pigs were not very cooperative at all. So this is like an estimate of an estimate. Remember Porky and Petunia? Well, they are grown big now, and I need to know how much they weigh because although it's still summer and it is a hot one today, I need to figure out if they are going to be ready to butcher by the end of next month, which is what we're hoping for. And I want ours roughly about 200 pounds. So for pig math, and this is great by the way, if you have homeschoolers or even just want to supplement your kid math if they go to public school. This one is if they're doing multiplication and division. Obviously, my daughter is just learning what numbers are, and my little one right here, who's refusing a nap today, probably because it's hot, doesn't even know what numbers are yet. So, if you have older ones that know how to do multiplication and division, or you're, teaching them it, this is a perfect opportunity to use real life math skills with them. So, alright, without further ado, here is our pig math. I do not draw very good, so this is a picture of a pig in case you can't tell. That's why it says oink, because I wanted to make sure that y'all knew it was a pig. So what I did was I need to measure from point A to point A. So point A, again, because my picture is awful, is right behind the ears to right at the base of the tail. And to do this, I just took string or yarn, whatever. You can use like the baling twine or whatever you have available. I just happened to grab yarn. It was the first thing that I saw. And so this first really long measurement that I took was point A to point A. I can't even get it all on the camera. But that's how long approximately the pig was. They are a little bit more cooperative for the length. It was this next measurement here, point B to point B, which is the heart girth. So basically around their chest area. That one was a little bit more difficult to get. So this is my very rough estimate because you did not like me under there of what I got. So after you get your measurements, you come back and then you can use whatever tape measure you got and measure your strings of yarn or whatever you're using to get the heart girth and the body length. So once you know those figures, you take the formula, which is heart girth, and by the way, this is in inches, so we measure in inches. Heart girth times the body length, and you're going to multiply all that together, and then you're going to divide by 400, and that is going to give you roughly how much your pig weighs in pounds. So let's do my pigs. I only measured one because they're both about the same size, and again, this is like an estimate of an estimate. So I tried to give them food too, by the way, to like see if they would cooperate a little bit better. Bread, which is their favorite. They don't get it every day, so it's a nice little treat. and they were still not having it, so that's alright. So what I got for the heart girth was approximately 33 inches. So if we take 33 times 33, because remember heart girth times heart girth, times the body length. For the body length, I got approximately 42 inches. So if we take all that together, and remember, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally if that's the way you're teaching. So we're going to do the multiplication first, and that comes out to be 45,738. And then our next step is the division. Again, don't forget, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And we're dividing by 400, which this comes out to be 114 approximately. I'm rounding. Alright, so 114 pounds. Now, the rule of thumb is if it's under 150 pounds, you want to add 7 pounds. So 114 is under 150. So we want to add 7. And so now our number is 121. So our pigs weigh approximately 121 pounds. So they are not near my 200. We will take another measurement probably beginning of next month, give or take mid next month, and see how close they are to being butcher weight, which again, for us, we want around 200 pounds. So that is just how we estimate how much our pigs weigh. If you have a different way, I would love to know, because this is a first for me. So if you know a different way, comment below and I'd love to hear about it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.